Today we're here to discuss what is an interrogatory. An interrogatory is literally just a written question asked during part of the lawsuit process. Once settlement negotiations break down, a complaint is filed with the court, an answer is filed by the other party, who is called the defendant, and then information exchange between the parties begins, called discovery. Now, as part of the discovery process, the parties exchange interrogatories, which are written questions that each party has to answer. Your lawyer helps you answer these questions. These questions ask basic things such as where you live, if it's an auto accident case, were you hurt, or did you treat, have you been hurt before, have you treated before for similar injuries, etc. Questions to the defendant in a car accident case may include, was he or she drinking, have they been convicted of a felony before, do they take medication that would impair their ability to drive, does he or she wear glasses, are there prior traffic tickets, are there prior traffic accidents that they caused, etc. You get the idea. Both parties are trying to get information they can use at trial to their advantage. Attorneys for both sides can object to any questions they feel are improper, and if there's a real controversy, the court will get involved on the discovery issue and resolve it. Now, the number of interrogatories that a party can ask another party to a lawsuit is limited, so it isn't really that time-consuming a task as many people think it is.